I'm trying to figure out what to make for breakfast. I do have to finish those chicken thighs before I leave because I'll be gone for the weekend. What can I do with 7 chicken thighs? So this is my scale. I'm gonna put in the bowl that I'm using, right? I'm gonna press tare, which means 0 it out. Okay, so then I look at my food label, doing this Southwest chopped kit. It says right here, your serving size is 100 grams, okay? So I mixed all the dry ingredients together and I'm gonna add in until it says 100, okay? And that's your serving size. Whatever. Okay, so now it says 100, right? So now I know that I am for sure gonna be having 150 calories from this. If you wanted to like half it, then instead of measuring 100 grams, you would do 50. You would instead be consuming 75 calories because 150 divided by 2 is 75. If you wanted to double it, you would go 100 grams of your serving size multiplied by 2. So that's 200 grams, and then your calories would be multiplied by 2, which is 300 calories, okay? And then everything else down below, your fat, carbs, everything else would also go according to those multiples. Now remember I had to finish this chicken breast. So the chicken breast, I do in ounces. Now it says ounces down there, okay? So we're gonna tare it again so that it's 0. And then I'm just gonna add in, I'm gonna cut these actually. This is the remainder of the chicken. Yes, I use a meat scissor. It's so much easier. What is the point of making life harder when it could be easy? Okay, I can see that I have 2.3 ounces of chicken. So when I go into the MyFitnessPal app, I'm gonna enter 2.3 ounces of chicken thigh. I'm going to scan this salad and put that I did 1 serving size. I can't really control the fact that I don't know how much dressing or what the calories are for it, but I'll add. That looks good to me. So there's my lunch. It's really just not that hard. You just have to try it. And if you have any questions, feel free to let me know. But now I'm going to eat this lovely salad. Ooh. You might be like, oh, but you told us to eat our carbs. Like, why are you not eating carbs? But today I'm going to celebrate my grandma's birthday. And I know there's gonna be some fire-ass bomb food that I will most definitely eat. I will not reject it. If you know that you are going to eat a lot or they're getting some good stuff later in the day, save everything for then. Like right now, I knew that this Filipino food was gonna come.
I ate half the bag.
So I can snack a little bit.
I ate half the bag.
The car ride is 2 minutes from the store.
That.
Y'all got me real fucked up if you don't think I'm about to eat this Jollibee. Hello? Peach mango pie? Hello? Jollibee spaghetti? Hello? Happy birthday! You really think I'm not about to eat that? You got me fucked up.
Oh, we're